This is Project Oriel, an E.C.D 110. Oriel is painted in a full gloss Arles blue, white roof and black accents. This D110 sits on 18-inch silver sawtooth wheels, BFG all-terrain tyres and our very own E.C.D Brembo brakes. It also features a full external roll cage, classic black front bumper and a classic front grille protected by the NAS-style front brush guard. The interior of Oriel features a black suede headliner, a Vanderwood steering wheel with mole bomber gauges. It features two power Recaro front seats, a Puma 60/40 split mid-row and two inward-facing bench seats in the cargo. Each seat is wrapped in vertical diamond Napa leather, stitched together in chocolate brown. Oriel is powered by our 430 horsepower LS3 engine and 6-speed automatic transmission. This 110 is packed with modern conveniences. It features our JL Audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, USB charging points. Oriel is a great example of clean factory looking exterior meeting luxury interior, a superb build.